Styles and designs change all the time. The things that were done years ago are not the same things that are done now. So being able to keep up with the industry, new styles, new looks, new types of bouquets, it's so important to continue education all the time. Tyler's designs are just fantastic, and I couldn't think of a better person to take this class from. I really wanted to learn from him. He has such an energetic personality, and I knew that I would have a great time in this class and learn a lot along the way as well. You know, we all have our pain points, no matter how many years we've been designing for. And his style is so organic. It's just another level of expertise that we can offer our customers.